Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Inga, and to all of you faithful subscribers, welcome back and thank you for subscribing to my channel. But today I gotta tell you about this palette. I got this off of Amazon for a little over $6, and guys, this palette is so bomb. It's so pigmented, you would not want to miss this. So sit back, relax, and just enjoy. So I will be starting this look off with a little Halo Sunshine look from my Juvia's Place palette, and this is going to be my transitioning color. And to highlight, I will be using my Urban Decay's Shadow Box palette, and I'm using that pinkish, palish, shimmery color in that palette. It's an excellent color to highlight with. And I'm going to go right in with this palette, and I'm going to be using those two colors, and they are about near each other in color. One is more like a fuchsia pink, and one is more on the orange side, but they're very smooth and blendable, and the fallout is like minimal. And I can say this can be compared, this palette can be compared to any high-end palette, and this is just a little over $6. And I'll put the name of the palette in the description box below when I'm done. So I did show you briefly that I'm using the Nubian 2 palette right now, and I'm using those two dark colors. One is the plum and one is the brown, and I am just applying it in my crease area, and I'm just going forth, blending it back and forth until it becomes seamless, because we don't want any harsh lines or any separation to be seen with this look. And I also applied those two dark colors in my outer V area. I'm going to cut my crease now with my Paint Pot and Painterly by MAC. So I just love the intensity that I place in my crease area. It's really paying off, and it's making the look more precise and neat. And by the way guys, I have double hooded eyes, so when I apply my transitioning color, I go up a little bit higher than normal. So I didn't show you the Morphe 35V palette that I'm using. It's the white color in that palette. Well, you guys know that's my favorite palette, but I'm just going in with my finger and tapping it in because I'm getting a better application like this. Right next to that white color, I'm going to apply the pink first from that palette, those two pink colors that I mixed together, and then after I will apply the orange and yellow colors from the Zulu palette. And what I did off camera was I applied my foundation and my concealer and all that other good stuff before I started recording. And I will have all the products that I am using listed in the description box below. I'm bringing all of these shades on my eyelid together, making sure that there aren't any separation. And afterward, I will be applying the NYX glitter glue and applying that white glitter there from this 3-stack glitter. And I am applying it to the white shadow on my eye. It's gorgeous. And to finish off this look, I will be lining my bottom lash liner area with the pink and the orange color from the palette. And I'm so sorry guys, I didn't get to record a big chunk because my camera wasn't recording and I did not know. But right now I'm using my beauty elixir and it's by Quarterly, and I'm going to set my face with this, and this smells so good. And what I did previously is I cleaned up my shadow area on near my outer V with some concealer. Yeah, it's that same area above there where I'm placing my highlighter, and the highlighter that I showed you earlier is my Becca Skin Perfecting highlighter. It's my favorite, and I'm just going over and highlighting all of my high areas. So let me give you the scoop on this palette. As you can see, this palette is actually a blush palette. So I decided to try it out anyway, and I needed the colors that were in this palette. I really was looking for them for a little while. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna try this palette, this blush palette, and see how pigmented the colors are. And guess what? It paid off. And there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed this look, and like I said, this palette is from Amazon and it's a little over $6, and I really love it. I think the colors are smooth and blendable, and it's a palette that you should invest in. I mean, it's very inexpensive and it's a very good palette. And if you have not already done so guys, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and hit that notification bell.